Hey, we're going to be having an open house this Sunday at 15179 Sequoia Court in Punta Gorda. We're in Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club, and this particular property is like 2,400 square feet. It's a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, plus a den, and a 3-stall garage. What's interesting though is this home has deeded golf. So if you're a golfer, you want that on your property because you can always add a pool if somebody wanted to later, but you can't add golf. So that's what makes it such a coveted feature. And this community is so fun. They've got the resort pool, the 4 satellite pools, I believe, tiki bar, clubhouse, fitness center. You can get your nails and a massage done at the spa. There's a yoga room, workouts. There's pickleball, tennis, bocce ball, cornhole, bags that we throw on Thursday or Tuesday nights. Anyways, there's so many fun things to get involved with and easy ways to meet your neighbors. So come join me on Sunday at our open house and go to buyahousewithbarbie.com, like, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.